Go.
Alright, so what we're going to be doing here is the strum pattern for song, I think, 7. Alright, so first we are going to do a C chord, and the C chord goes for 2 measures. So when you take your first finger, put it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and then the strum pattern is going to be for every measure, it's the same thing. This hand does the same thing for every measure throughout the song. And it's going to be pluck the 3rd string, strum strings 2 and 1. Pluck the 3rd string, strum strings 2 and 1. That was the first measure. The second measure doesn't have a C over it, but we keep playing the C anyway. So second measure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the 3rd measure it goes to a G chord. We're going to take our pinky, our 4th finger, put it on G. Our 3rd finger, we're going to put it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. But with this hand, we keep doing the same thing we were doing before, and we do this for 4 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then there's a C written up above this next measure, so we go back to C. And with this hand, we keep doing the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And then we're done. Now make sure that when you practice your chords, you don't try to do them at the same time as practicing your notes. So you practice the notes and then you practice the chords.